Hey guys, welcome to another.
Welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing a ton of PR stuff, also some stuff that subscribers have sent, and I have James handy to cut open, slice open, be the muscles for me, and basically also entertain me and keep me company. So thank you, James, for being here.
You're welcome, Tati. I'm happy to be here.
All right, get to work. This is not a sponsored video, so all of this is actual stuff that just arrived in my P.O. box. I just like filming these, and you guys seem to enjoy it, so as long as you guys continue to enjoy these, we're gonna keep doing them.
Best PR box of the year. Bubbles.
Bye. Muscles, muscles, muscles. Ooh, this is like a beautiful pink box that I am spying with my eye. Oh my God. I just got butterflies, you guys. This is so exciting. I'm actually so excited for this. This is from Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, have you ever seen a setup like this that has like a yellow glow? Oh my gosh, this is so interesting. I think I need to do a WTF. So this is the Diamond and Blush in Citrus, and then I have #1 Daria, and then we have more of these top coats, which you guys already know that I am so into. So I'm just going, I can't breathe. I get really flustered about makeup sometimes. Okay, this is so exciting. Look at this color. I want to like eat it. It's so yummy. Look at this. Does that not turn you on a little bit?
No,
it's
not even a little bit.
I just want to like stare at that. Look at that top coat. These are the most sophisticated toppers. I love this. And now they have different colors. They have a green, a purple, a silver. This is so fun. Thumbs up this video if you would like to see a WTF.
Origins.
Oh, actually I saw this one online. This is so cool. This is a primer that actually comes out like foam, and it cools your face and it primes your face. This is just something cool that I really want to try. I think that I will try it on camera. I don't even want to like do the foam or try it out. I want to kind of capture it all in another video. This is neat. Oh, look, it matches my mirror.
It's a Disney
right?
collection.
Oh, it's by Besame.
Look.
How cute. It's beautiful. Who would love this the most in the world? I recently had a 4-year-old beauty addict visit my beauty room, and no joke, I was so impressed. She goes over to the candy jars, and instead of wanting the candy, I was like, oh, cute, like she wants some candy. And she keeps pointing to this giant jar of Shape Tape. So I have a bunch of Shape Tape in this thing on a counter alongside like jars of candy. And she was like, this one, I want this one. And I'm like, you want this? She's like, yes, please. My mom has it and she won't let me play with it. Like, keep in mind, she's 4, okay? And I was like, do you even know what that's for? And she's like, yes, it is for highlighting the triangles. And I about died. You guys, I gave a 4-year-old concealer. I still kind of don't know how I feel about that. She would love this. House of Lashes. Lashes.
You got something from Urban Decay.
You know what? I actually got this in another package, so I think I'm gonna, if I have 2 of them, I'm gonna give this away. I wanna confirm that before I do, but this is awesome. This is the collaboration between Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne. She is just beautiful, very different. Her makeup is always flawless. She's always been so just nice meeting her in real life. It looks gorgeous. So my mom's in town right now, and I know she's gonna see this and flip out. I'm actually just gonna go and put this on her bed. She loves IT Cosmetics so much. Like, that's all she wants is all of my IT Cosmetics. What's this?
Your mom wants it.
Shut up.
Got you a gift. Ole Henriksen.
I love that you feel like, look at all these presents. You never need anything. This is so cute. This packaging has like bananas. I got an eye mask. I got a banana bright eye cream. I wonder if this smells like bananas.
You got viewer mail. You got gummy bears and Skittles. Dear Tati, I just want to thank you so much. I'm a new makeup artist from Long Island. New York, and I watch your videos every day. My 15-month also loves your videos. She would rather watch you and Laura Lee over Sesame Street. That's funny.
Anytime you guys send me even just a little note or anything where you've taken the time to send a handwritten piece of mail, just know that I feel that and I love that. It means so much to me. I got a new outfit in the mail.
It says, "Kick me, I'm stupid." I'm kidding.
Oh, Puka got a toy. That is so cute. You guys, Puka knows when he gets mail too. He gets very excited, and all the things that come to him in the mail are like his favorites.
I think this is from Darling State of Mind.
All right, you guys.
They're a boutique.
It's a fashion show.
And they sent you jewelry. That's so comfortable and soft. Okay.
Guys, this is very, very soft. We'll put, is this her store? We'll put a link in the description box below.
Darling State of Mind.
Feel. Thank you so much. Eye and lip primer. I actually have been stuck on the same Urban Decay primer recently, so I'm happy to try something new. That's really sweet. And then they put a little palette together.
121 shades, 5 finishes, 12-hour wear.
Ooh, beautiful.
Cerazar Cosmetic.
24 karat gold infused powder. Okay, this one is literally called the Midas Touch. That's super cute. Leave-in coconut milk leave-in conditioner. Is this one of those spray things again though? Oh. I'm gonna have to further look into this product. It smells really good. I just don't know how I feel about aerosol leave-in. I don't know. We'll figure it out. What's this? Ooh, oh wow. Wow.
She actually goes the craziest for drugstore price makeup. Always has.
Well, because it's like a discovery. That's why.
Yeah.
Because if I can find something that is killer on a budget, I love that. Because I remember how hard it was to find really good performing makeup back when I didn't have money to spend on makeup. So this is from City Color. They have like a matte bronzer. They have a full color palette. We have a contour palette. We have brushes. You guys know I went crazy for their single eyeshadows that were like $2.67. And now we have a whole big, huge bag to play with. I'm gonna find other good stuff that's super cheap. Okay, so I did get really excited initially when I saw these launch, and I scooped them up right away, and I already put them in a video, which I will link below, but these are so hot. They are beautiful. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. And speaking of giveaways,
Yeah, hey, let's do a giveaway.
let's go to the imagery of beautiful giveaways that we have. Do you wanna do 10?
Yeah, let's do 10.
Details will be in the description box below on how to enter. It's international. Good luck to you guys, and high five giveaway.
It's from Ofra.
So Ofra has brought out some new skincare. They have toners, and then they also have a Cool as a Cucumber moisturizing primer all in one product. I will definitely be trying this out. Thank you so much to Ofra. I love a good toner too. This looks good. V collection. This is a retinol wrinkle, I don't know what you are. Retino Pure.
What are you?
What are you? My sister really likes this brand. I will have to look into this more because I'm not quite sure what exactly this is. But thank you so much to V Collection for sending this over. Okay, I just got restocked on Lily lashes. You guys, some of her styles look so dumb on me though. And I just like, I see everybody else like rock the Mykonos and rock all these crazy lashes. And I just have such a hard time with it and I look not good. You're like, you know when I'm going crazy with the lashes, right?
Yeah, and you were, yeah.
Yeah, you don't like it. You don't even like when I wear any lashes.
I like it when you don't wear lashes the most. I'm sorry.
No, voila.
That's not voila, that's
Oh.
vula. Vula.
It's not Vula.
Voila is V-O-I-L-A.
Right. Okay, so this is a Serum Foundation. Sign me up. I love it. Shake well before use. Layered for full coverage. Yes, I will try this out. Thank you so much. That sounds cool.
They spent 7 years developing this brand.
Really?
Hey, something came from Beauty Bakerie.
Oh, I love Beauty Bakerie. They have a new face and body palette. That's interesting.
It's gold. I love gold.
Oh my gosh, that's actually super cute. A blush and highlighting palette. This looks beautiful. I'm really into this shade right here. Oh, that is, That's surprisingly very, very highlighty. Ooh, you're glowing.
Do you want me to open that?
Nope. Oh my gosh, ColourPop literally puts like so much of this on the top of their packages.
Here.
Oh my gosh, they have a bunch of new singles. You guys, their singles are awesome. Thank you so much, ColourPop. I will dig into those later.
Dermalogica.
Ooh, Dermalogica, okay. Calm Water Gel. This is the new Sensitive Skin's new BFF. So this will relieve, hydrate, and restore. That looks interesting. Dermalogica is great for sensitive skin. They kind of always have been that type of a brand, a go-to for really simple but effective skincare. So I will look more into these products very soon, but thanks so much.
Tati, I know you like the original scent, but I wanted to include some of my other favorites too.
Oh my God, no way. No! I can't even believe this.
I don't even know what it is.
Oh my God. I put this in empties and talked about how much I loved it, and then like this just shows up. Like that's just crazy. Oh my God. Just have to give this a good smell on camera because their stuff smells so good. My mom loves this stuff. My sisters love this stuff. So good. Usually I pick this up at Namie's. Oh my God, I can't open it.
Here, I have a knife.
Oh my God, this smells like an actual cake. Like this smells like I just walked into Susie Cakes and it's just that like beautiful scent of vanilla buttercream frosting. Thank you so much, Lawlicious. I love it.
So this came from a viewer.
Okay.
Laura Bouchard sent you a t-shirt.
Da, 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 da. Cha, cha. This is so soft.
That was really nice. Thank you,
Yeah,
Laura Bouchard.
Thank you so much. Oh, what is this?
For milk.
Oh, okay. I have tried the original, which I will put into a giveaway. I have not seen this though. How beautiful is that foil on here? I initially thought this would be just like a highlighter that maybe you do on the shoulders, something like that. But this is a luminous primer. So you're gonna use it underneath your makeup, but it's kind of glowy. So I'm gonna try it out. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup. I love a lot of their products.
Number 7.
From number 7. Oh. Ooh, this is such a presentation for skincare. Cool. This is the Glow Activating Serum and a Tinted Skin Perfector. There's a lot of skincare here. Oh my goodness.
This one is fragile.
Don't. Only I can do it.
Hypocrite.
LETSGO. Let's go. Let's go. Did you guys know I used to be a teenage? Wait.
A what? A teenage cheerleader? What other kind is there?
I used to be a teenager. You guys already know that.
How good of a
Wait.
cheerleader are you?
Be aggressive. B-E aggressive. B-E-A-G-G-R-E-S-S-I-V-E. Be aggressive. B-E aggressive. That song was actually really
Yeah.
aggressive. Let's unbox.
Have some.
Come on, I still have that cheerleading uniform. Anytime you want me to bust it out, just let me
Hey,
know.
we see it every Friday night.
Give It To Me Straight palette. This is actually really pretty.
Hey.
Actually, really like this color setup right here.
And just for a minute, can we just like make the observation that you got 2 packages from ColourPop in this?
Yeah.
Yet you never get anything from their sister company, Kylie?
James, you can't say that.
I know.
James, you can't say stuff like that.
I know. I'm just saying.
Oh my God, Guerlain.
I feel like a deer in the headlights of love.
Guerlain sent me makeup. I'm so excited about this. It's shiny. Wow, you guys, I have never received anything from Guerlain, so I am excited to try this out. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What?
Dear Tati, here's a chic skincare regimen for a super chic woman. We're in love with your channel. Looking forward to more awesome videos. Enjoy XOXO, the chic team.
Hydra Glisten, revitalizing mist. I think we need to try this right now. Oh my God, are you for real? That's so cool. Wait, is this for your face? That's dope.
It
I love
smells
that.
nice too.
Ah! Look at this. Instagram's Breakfast of Glampians with my picture on it. That's so, oh my gosh, wait, what? What? That's funny.
Spill the tea. But first, primer.
That's funny. That is cute.
Here.
Ooh, the balm. Oh my God. Oh, I've seen this online. This is a liquid highlight because the balm had one of the first like really popular crazy like blingy highlights, the Mary Luminizer in powder form, and they just came out with a bunch of shades of a liquid highlight, which I actually really love. I've like suddenly become obsessed with more creamy liquid highlights, so I am definitely going to try these out. Thank you so much to the balm.
This is from Pixie.
Oh my gosh,
and it's got your name on the lock.
How cute is this box? That's really cute. This is another one, you guys, that I am going to give away to one of you because I have raved about the liquid lips from Pixie in probably like 3 different videos now, and I actually love these 2 products as well and already have them. So this whole kit I want to go to one of you guys to try out, and I think that's great. Those are some of the best drugstore liquid lips ever, and the colors are so stunning. NARS. We have their spring collection. This is the Spring It On, Out with the Old, In with the Nude. So these are a bunch of nude products, which I can never get enough of. So this is from Model's Own. Hey. Okay, we have the Barely There 2 eyeshadow palette from Model's Own. They have a one night stand 2-in-1 prime and set spray. This is long lasting and hydrating, so best of both. That's kind of cool. And then we have some concealers. Oh, they came out with a full coverage concealer. That's actually pretty cool. I welcome trying more drugstore concealers. I have had good luck at the drugstore with concealers, so I will definitely be giving this one a go. This is from Jouer. They brought out blushes, or like a two-pan blush situation. I saw these online. Look at that. That is really pretty. The packaging is so beautiful. Another situation where I already have these to try out, so it's going in the giveaway.
Hourglass.
Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, Hourglass. They just sent over like their full brow collection. They have the Arch Brow Sculpting Pencils and then their new Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I'm so into trying this out. And then a clear shade. Really beautiful. Like, what a gorgeous presentation, too. Ooh.
There's a brand called Tati.
Has my name on the box.
Yeah.
They're phone cases. This one has flamingos on it. That's pretty cute. Do you know what I'm surprised at? That you have not said one thing about the stars on my face.
Well, what do you want me to do, make fun of you?
What are you trying to say, James? So for the grand finale package, we have Sculpting is My Cardio from Tarte.
They even sent a meme. When someone tells you they enjoy cardio.
That's actually a really gorgeous palette. Shape Tape eye primer, and then some brushes that look similar to Artiste brushes. All right, cool. Excited to test that out. High five, we're done. Thank you for hanging out with me while I opened 2 packages and my husband did the rest. So thank you, James. Thumbs up the video if you love James being here for these kind of unboxings. I really appreciate it.
Don't forget to click the link below to enter the massive PR giveaway.
Yes.
There's going to be 10 winners of packages that are like $450, $500.
Yes, I put a lot of thought into, you know, just like putting these little boxes together with everybody getting a similar value, and they're good prizes.
And can I say, if you enter the giveaway, you should really check your email.
Yes, please, please.
Because if you don't check your email, then she has to select alternate winners,
Yes.
and
It happens a lot, so check your email, please.
it happens every giveaway.
Yes. All right, that is it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I hope this was fun, kind of seeing what's new in beauty, and you can also leave comments on what you wish to see in an upcoming review. All right, I love you so much, and James loves you so much too.
I love you guys too.
All right.
You'll see her.
You'll
You'll
see
see
me
her
in the next
in her
video.
next video.
All right, bye guys.
Mwah.